Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying the window and where the screen sits. You want to loosen the frame edge first so the mesh can come free without tearing. Use a flat screwdriver or putty knife to pry out the spline or retaining clips a little at a time. Make sure to support the mesh to avoid ripping. Once you've exposed an edge, use needle nose pliers to grip the spline and pull steadily. If it's sealed, run a utility knife along the channel to cut any paint or sealant. You continue by freeing the mesh fully from the frame. Work methodically around the perimeter. Once an edge is free, keep tension on the screen so it doesn't snag, and peel it gently while you release the remaining spline or clips. If the spline won't budge, cut it in short segments and remove the mesh in pieces. Doing so prevents warping the frame. Make sure to fold the removed mesh inward as you go. This keeps it manageable and prevents your work area from getting tangled. You finish by lifting the freed mesh clear of the frame and setting it flat to avoid creases. Once removed, vacuum or brush the channel to clear dirt and old spline remnants so a new spline seats correctly. If the frame has a slight bend, reshape it using even hand pressure along the track. Do not use heat or force that could warp the frame. If you run into a tear, you can patch small holes now, but replace the mesh if damage covers a large area.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.